At its core, artificial intelligence is an attempt to map the architecture of the human mind onto a machine. Scientists want to recreate our capacity to think, explore, and analyze within a digital space. This idea moved from theoretical speculation to active research in 1956. During a summer workshop at Dartmouth College, researcher John McCarthy gathered a small group of scientists to see if these early, room-sized mainframes could be programmed to simulate human reasoning. Since that summer, computing power has multiplied, and the algorithms have evolved alongside it. Machines that once struggled with basic arithmetic are now proving complex mathematical theorems and mastering games like chess. We track AI through 4 stages. First, reactive machines without memory. Second, limited memory, like self-driving cars using past observations to navigate. Third is theory of mind, understanding human emotions to predict behavior. The final stage is true self-awareness, conceptualizing its own existence. We are rushing to push these algorithms toward complete cognitive independence. But before we reach that endpoint, we need to look closely at the trade-offs we are making right now. Modern algorithms excel at taking massive volumes of chaotic, unstructured information, text, numbers, audio, and organizing it. They categorize billions of data points in seconds. To see the immediate benefits of this processing speed, we can look at the modern banking sector in Kuwait. Financial institutions use machine learning to evaluate creditworthiness. By instantly scanning a customer's history, the system accurately approves loans and processes routine services without delay. The algorithm tracks individual profiles to learn normal spending habits. If a sudden deviation occurs, it instantly freezes the account. It then synthesizes this history to act as a financial advisor, building custom wealth strategies for users. In these institutions, the algorithm dictates the workflow. It is the central nervous system of modern wealth management. This efficiency extends directly into the physical world. Automated factory lines rely on machine learning to coordinate robotic arms, minimizing errors and speeding up assembly. In agriculture, algorithms analyze soil conditions and weather patterns to calculate exact planting times, ensuring maximum crop yields and crop quality. In human resources, software scans thousands of CVs to match specific skill sets to job openings. In medicine, expert systems assist doctors by comparing patient symptoms against vast medical databases to deliver precise diagnostic recommendations. From hospital to farm, the technology performs complex tasks with high accuracy and continuous output. It never gets tired and never takes a break. But the same efficiency that optimizes a supply chain also carries severe consequences for the people within it. A digital worker executing tasks faster and cheaper makes the human employee unnecessary. Companies looking to modernize are systematically eliminating roles that required a person. This chart illustrates the economic fallout. As automation lowers operating costs and drives corporate profits up, the displaced middle class loses their income. This dynamic actively widens the gap between societal classes. Meanwhile, the personalized services we rely on demand a constant flow of user data. To receive financial advice or tailored medical diagnoses, individuals are forced to surrender the details of their private lives to corporate algorithms. In the push to optimize every transaction and workflow, we are actively eroding economic stability, eroding job security, and personal privacy. And those exact behavioral tracking capabilities are being adapted for military use. Pattern recognition systems designed to spot anomalies can be integrated into autonomous global weaponry. The engineers building these systems recognize the danger. At Google, researchers have signed agreements to prevent their algorithms from being used for military applications, trying to stop a new global arms race. An algorithm does not have a conscience. It is a mathematical amplifier, capable of scaling both our best medical breakthroughs and our most destructive tendencies. The machine will optimize whatever we tell it to. We now have to decide whether we will use it to support human growth or let it automate us out of the picture.